Hi, good day. And once again, welcome to my Finance Friday channel. Today, let's look at that positive energy that we have to display at our workplaces. You see, most times, things don't really work out in our workplaces the way we think, the way we plan, the way we want it. And you have some people complain morning, afternoon, night, throughout the day about how they are being maltreated, marginalized in their workplaces. Some people come and shout at others, talk down at others because they want things to be done their way. One thing you have to realize is that you have to treat others the way you want to be treated. Talking down on others, shouting down on others is not going to help you achieve what you want to achieve. Yes, if you have things to complain about, please complain it, go straight to the point. But don't complain about things that happened 20 years ago, when even your manager has not even been born. Talk about things that are recent so that your manager can listen to you and do something about it. And when you talk to your manager, remember that there is a business language and use that business language. Don't keep on arguing with your manager. It's all reproductive. It's not going to do you any good. Bring your points to the point so that your manager, your supervisor can listen to you. There is this supervisor who feels his born right to treat anyone that is coming in. So if another person trains, incoming people, no, they're never going to do good unless it is him that trains everybody. What if you are not there? What if something happens and in months you were unable to come to work? When this company gets some people employed, when they have somebody to train them, nobody is irrepressible. Remember that. So when you make your complaints, good, they could be genuine complaints, but make it in a very genuine, critical way so that people can listen to you and help you out. So let's try to build that good mindset even when we are in our workplaces. And in addition to it, try to also build that good relationship with people around us, with our supervisors, our co-workers. And then, be positive and transfer that positivity. Try to transfer that positivity to your colleagues. And remain blessed when you work and try to make a change in this world. Remain blessed and may God bless you.